Welcome to Integrity Global Concept. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to make a YouTube thumbnail with your pixellab. How to make a YouTube thumbnail with your pixellab. Firstly, what is the meaning of a YouTube thumbnail? Let me go to WhatsApp to show you what YouTube thumbnail is. You know, whenever I send a video to the group, a YouTube video, you will see something this thing that is showing in the video before you play it. When you share the link of the video to someone or you search it on YouTube, this is what you will see first. That will indicate what is inside the video. Assuming I didn't add a thumbnail to my video, you will just see some part of the video as that will share your video. I zoom in now. Assuming I didn't add this thumbnail, you won't see this thing here. You will see another thing, maybe some part of my video. It will just show it for you, and by that you may not understand what the video is. You will not understand it on time until you look to this place, until you look to where I wrote the title of the video. But when I add a thumbnail to my video, you will see it clearly and very fast what the video represents. Now let's go back to pixellab and create a YouTube thumbnail. Then I won't stress myself. I will just create a thumbnail that I'm using, the sample of my thumbnail. That's what I will create. If you need another sample for your YouTube video, you may go to Pinterest, search for YouTube thumbnail, then you work on it in pixellab and use it for your video. Then a YouTube thumbnail has a definite size. You can't just create a design for your YouTube thumbnail. You have to use a definite size for it. Even if you are using computer, you will have to measure the size it is on pixellab, but pixellab will give you the definite size you will use for it. You don't have to stress yourself. It is just 1280 by 720. Let's go to size, image size. You can see it now, 1000. Okay, no, want to create a YouTube thumbnail, right? Just go to this place where they write custom, then this black button here, you will press it. If you can't see this very well, sorry, when you check your own pixellab, you will find this black something there. I'm not using that pixellab. I've updated my pixellab to another version, but it's not for free. You will just see this black something there in front of custom. Press the black button, then you will have other options. The custom means 1280 by 1280, which you always see. But when you press the arrow there, you will have other options. Out of the options, you will have square, profile picture, square, YouTube channel banner, YouTube thumbnail. Then we will pick YouTube thumbnail. Check the measurement now, 1280 by 720. Press OK. You can see it now. That's the actual size for a YouTube thumbnail. The next thing is that you just go to your gallery. No, let me change the color of my background. I want to create the one I'm using, white. Okay, then I have another image here, shape. It's as big as this, yes, like this. Then my mouse tools, max tools. Yes, instead of, let me enable it now. I think you can see the screen very well, right? The next thing is that my max mode, this is it. Okay, I want it to be out or in. Okay, out, let it be out. Press this button now. I think I've made a video on how to use these max tools. Watch it very well again. You will be pressing these nodes to navigate to the side you want. Assuming I want to use this middle one, you press the node at the middle, press it, then the two stroke will be there. You want to use the one at the top, you press the node there. You can see the two stroke is there now, but we want to use this one to collect to create our own. You press the node, you can see the stroke is something like stick is there now. If you want to use this one also, press it, then the stick will be there to navigate to the place you want. But we want to use these two to create our design. Take it down a little bit, down a little bit. Good. Then let's change the color. I think I'm using blue color for it. This color rather, yes, this color. Then I will rotate it now. Yes, use the rotating button, rotate it very well, then make it very big. Oh, not screenshot. Yes, then I will place it here very well. But if you think your hand can't place it very well, this is another thing to do. Let's delete this default text. Now when you press on it, just use your relative position, place it at the middle of the part you want to be. This button indicates middle, the middle first one, then press it. You can see it has been at the middle now. The gap between this bottom and the top is now the same thing. No screenshot. The gap between them is now the same thing. You use this two button to select the middle part of the page. You use the two middle button to move it to the part of your page. Now press the marker button. Good. The next thing now is we are going to text, new text, edit by. That's the first thing. If it's not moving like this, go to your position button, increase it so that it can move very fast. Take it down. Good. Let's increase this a little bit. Good. Let's change the color to white color. Yes. Now size, increase the size. Position, move this side a little bit. Now by integrity concept, you use a YouTube thumbnail for the video you upload to your YouTube channel. Then I want to add my name to it, integrity concept. Integrity concept. Good. Then I will place it here, increase it a little bit here. Then the color white also. Then my font, change the font. Good. Then I want to add the title of the video I'm using this thumbnail for. Let me use how to create a YouTube thumbnail. How to create a YouTube thumbnail in pixellab. This is how to name your video in YouTube. You just give the title, the description of the video. Maybe you are making a video on how to bake a cake. How to bake a cake. The title of the video you are making, you will add it to your thumbnail. And if you can add your the name of your company there, you will add it also. Anything you need or you think you can add to your thumbnail, you add it there. Even you can add pictures to your thumbnail. Maybe the logo of your company, or assuming you are using the video for a cake company or something like that, you can add the video of a cake, of a baked cake or any other thing like that. You can add it to the thumbnail, but I'm not adding any picture to mine. I will just press OK. Then I want to put it at these white parts. Then let me decrease it from this side first. Yes. Then I want everything to be at the middle of one another. Align middle one. Press OK. Then I want to change the font. I'm using this font. Press OK. Then the space between each line spacing, increase it. Then the next thing is that let's change the color to white. Then stroke, let's change the stroke to blue color. Let's change the stroke to blue color. Now I want to put it in the middle. Let's put it at the middle. Edit position. We will use this one at the below. This is one at the bottom. Use it. You can see it has been at the middle now. The gap between this place and this place is the same thing. Now you save it as image. You save it as image. Ultra. Save to gallery. After that, you save it as project. Thumbnail. My thumbnail. Okay, this is just how to create a YouTube thumbnail. The important thing there is that your size must be 1280 to 720, or else some part of your design will only show in your thumbnail. Thanks for watching. Integrity cares.